This is a secret success habit from an NBA head coach. All right, self admitted here, I have horrible handwriting. Not just bad, really, really bad. But be it as it may, I march on. There's absolute power in the brain and pen connection. Researchers at the Norwegian Center for Learning Environment and Behavioral Research and Education found that writing handwritten text activates different parts of the brain than typing the same text. Your memory of handwritten words is tied to movements required to make each letter. When you write by hand, you actually give your brain an encoding boost. In a study done by researchers at Princeton and UCLA, they found that there are definite links between handwriting notes and committing them to memory. The act of writing requires the brain to be an active participant in the note taking process. Typing does not. It's unclear on how much more powerful writing is than typing. Experts have estimated that it could be up to 5 times more powerful. And the act of writing versus only auditorily hearing the information can be up to 20 times more powerful in retention. I know it might not always be the most fun to bust out a pen and paper, but trust me, it's worth it. Your brain will thank you later. The confidence boost today comes from making the commitment to journal daily, either in the morning or the evening, whichever is your sweet spot. And bonus points if you carry a notebook around with you wherever you go. Some of the smartest people and best leaders I have been around do this. Erik Spoelstra, head coach of the Miami Heat and one of the top coaches in North American sports history, brings a notebook to every dinner meeting that we have and avidly takes notes. So if the best are doing it, then maybe you should too. Gain confidence today through handwriting, actively writing.